It's a beautiful Monday. Ngegama nguSimphiwe from kwaSimphiwe Molefe Properties. Ke namhlanje silapha eAmalinda kwenye le development yethu esithengisayo. Just right behind me, I've got a very beautiful house esithengisayo. You know, it's in a development area, so close to all amenities. So bunomdla wethu yabona nto. Ufuna uzobona, ufuna ukuthenga, but masingene manje abangaphakathi uyibone. You know, I think before singene just babone such just a view nwakulapha ebhek babone. Aluminum windows zakho sikhona ne-breaker cards for security reasons. Suitable for umuntu oyi-single, suitable also for umuntu oyi-family, you know. So here yonke le nto as you can see. Like singena apha ngaphakathi ke ngoku masingene nje apha phakathi. Welcome. I think sizaqala amagumbi ingene eqala. This is where we are going to start. Apha ke this is your bathroom yakho. Now let's be in. You can look at in fact, sorry. Net built-ins up. Built-ins, yeah, one is very secured. This is your second bathroom. Now you let those ins. Then this is your last bathroom, also with built-ins. Got the kitchen area. So, you want to come for viewing, you want to buy, you want to make an offer, whichever way, do call us 043-721-0351. Alternative, guest phone and emergency line here to 073-27-12-589. Simphiwe from Simphiwe Molefe Properties. Do follow us on all our social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other various platforms. Now, we probably can phone us, leave us, do follow us. Thank you for joining us live viewing. Do comment, share, like. God bless you. We love you.